Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great. This video is related to your career and money in July 2021 with respect to retrograde Saturn. I already have posted a relationship reading for July 2021 during this phase of Saturn retrograde. How will it be and what are the advices, etc. So the link is there in the description box. You can watch that video. This video is all about your career, business, money, opportunities, etc. related to abundance and prosperity. Okay, so let's find out what messages are we getting. Okay. Wow, Taurus energy, Empress and Six of Swords. Oh wow, it seems thankfully we are starting with a card like Empress because Empress is a card of abundance. Six of Swords is a card which talks about you're definitely into some sort of what do you call it? Whirlwind of turmoils in terms of money or something. Maybe you're quite disturbed about it, but the presence of Empress talks about a very, though it will take some time, but if you are a business person specifically, you're going to get money. Okay, some sort of waiting is definitely there before you reach Six of Swords. Six of Swords is like I am moving towards a better phase, a calmer water kind of a situation, but I am still into that. So you have to keep faith in the whole situation because nothing happens overnight. So that's what is the message with Empress. Empress is Virgo, Taurus, sorry, not it, it's like Libra, Taurus energy, it's the Venus energy. So, and Hangman is the Pisces energy. So you have to, there are things that are holding you from the past. It's better that you change your perspective towards it. Keep that faith that, things are taking time, but they are taking time for your good. You're definitely moving ahead. Okay, if you're a business person specifically, do things from a different perspective. Maybe the older ways won't work, so you'll have to make some sort of changes there. The Death card is here. Yeah, so make those changes. It can be a total transformation. It can be like removing your employees, not exactly removing, but really shuffling your employees, hiring somebody new. A kind of a change that normally a business does not make. Death, Hangman, Six of Swords, Empress. These are cards of some sort of changes. Some sort of not exactly change but transformation. It's like one thing is ending and the other one starting. It can be a plan B also in your life, simultaneously starting something else. Okay, there is definitely a waiting period because Empress is a energy of nurturing, very Taurus sign. How is Taurus sign? It's very nurturing, it's very earthly, it's very practical, it's very hardworking. Hangman is a Pisces energy. It's like being in your own shell and not talking much. So make sure that you don't discuss your plans, also the plans of this transformation. This is what I am getting. And also, if you're sticking to the older plans and older ways of working, please change it. Saturn retrograde in July 21 is actually bringing in that shift in your life, because in these four cards we already have three major arcana and okay, what am I getting? Okay, so these three major arcana are soul related. So some sort of major change in your environment has to be done so that you manifest the Empress and self-independent, financial independent kind of energy environment. Yes, this transformation, just like death, is very important. A kind of a rebirth, it's you wouldn't like it, but you'll have to do it. for money and security and all that. Magician, yes. And in case you're thinking that you do not have the required skill sets or people, where will you find that and when will I have those ideas? How can I make these changes? I cannot wait. I am not getting clients. Okay, I'm not getting an opportunity, even if it is job, okay? The magician is a card that you're self-sufficient, you have all the resources, you have all the skill sets, your mind needs to be focused, and you can actually, you know, what do you call it? You can actually shift the wind towards yourself. So, lucky month, I would say, because again, the magician is a major arcana. So, a major change is coming July 2021. For all of you who are watching this video, please share with your loved ones if at all they are struggling with career and everything. Career, money, business, job, etc. Because these cards are definitely giving a lot of hope, and they have an advice also. So Saturn retrograde won't be an easy process. It is a process. It is wherein you have to be slow, but you have to come out of your comfort zone with and use your skill sets. So you're never zero. You're never zero. That's the guarantee I'm getting from here. Okay, what else do we have? Hierophant. My goodness, all major arcana. 10 of Pentacles. Hierophant is a card of if you have to take somebody's advice or you have to upgrade your skill sets, you have to learn something, you have time because probably those changes cannot be made as at the moment, or you're waiting for your clients or something, you're waiting for a good opportunity. Please make sure that you upgrade yourself. This is a good time. Working hard is very important when it comes to Saturn and career. Money doesn't come to people who do not, I would not say you have to work hard for money, but at least you have to have that mental focus towards money. The more you worried about it, the more money will go away from you. But in July 2021, a bit of that change and transformation that we just talked about, and some sort of guidance, some sort of study, learning, upgrading your skill sets will really help you out to reach to this point of 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles is abundance. It's that Taurus, Virgo, Capricornish energy. It is a tree of life. It is one of those cards which is, for me, I would say, because I have been reading a lot about Kabbalist interpretations also. So, this tree of life thing, it is something for me personally. I have understood that after major arcana in tarot, 10 of Pentacles is something that will bring in a lot that talks about balancing of alignment of mind, body, and soul. So in terms of money, 10 of Pentacles, value, your name, fame, your opportunities and recognition, all that, okay? So inheritance and ancestral inheritance can also be there, can also play some role here. Hierophant is there, okay? You will get some sort of contract, or if you've given an interview, the presence of these two cards means that though there can be some sort of waiting or some sort of CV transformation also, you have to redesign your CV maybe, because magician is like really highlighting your skill sets in your CV in such a way with your words. Magician is a Mercury card, so Mercury is all about mind. Mercury is all about communication. Okay, so through your CV, if somebody is approaching you for job, right? The people who are looking for job or shift in job, it's very important that you make those transformational changes in your CV and present your skill sets like a magician, that people get attracted. Okay, so think through how will you do that, because you will get the offer for sure. the offer letter, the call letter, or whatever it is, because 10 of Pentacles I'm getting. So in terms of money, I believe some sort of change and some sort of major transformation is on your way. The Hermit, my goodness, what is happening here? Also major arcana are here. The Hermit is like, think about it, how what sort of changes you want to bring, what sort of changes are important. So you'll have to space yourself out from the world and not get drawn to, oh, the other person is doing so well. This person has got the job, I am not getting it. All that. Space yourself out from there, because Hermit is a Virgo card again. So a lot of earthly cards, Hierophant is Taurus, Empress is Taurus, and Libra. Mercury is a very, so if at all you believe into Muhurt, like in India we believe into the auspicious time, so follow the Budh Mercury Hora, if you understand, and then during the Mercury Hora you can apply for you can come, send your CV or all those official communication. If you have to talk to a client and send some follow-up messages, follow the Mercury Hora during this month of July 2021. If you don't believe into all that, or you don't know, that's fine. That's not a problem. On Wednesday, you can keep Wednesday as a day, because Wednesday is the day of Mercury and Ganesha. Okay, so communicate and follow up with your clients on Wednesday. So Hermit is a card of self-introspection and distancing yourself and really thinking about what changes need to be made, the pros and cons of it. And you're not available to everybody, right? So don't be available to a lot of people's suggestions that you do this, you should do that, because Hierophant is somebody you can go to, somebody who knows your field and can guide you, but not everybody, okay? Because you have to be in your hermit mode also. This month isn't that bad, okay? And okay, another is Ace of Swords. So, some sort of communication, as I was just telling you, some sort of, you might have given some interview or might have spoken to some clients, they will approach you. So Ace of Swords is like clear-cut communication. In case you have made things vague for your clients, you have not been very clear, probably Saturn retrograde, this is Saturn retrograde reading, guys. So you have to be very sure that, you're doing the right causes. That's very important. So if you are following all this, but you're not true to, true in your communication, you're in your CV, you're writing anything which you're not, then, things are a little difficult. But, if you have been very karma oriented and cause oriented, you've been rightful in presenting yourself and promoting your products, promoting your skill sets, then Ace of Swords is definitely a card which talks about getting that offer and that clarity in your situation. So Hermit mode is also giving you that clarity in your situation so that you can make these changes. You will have that courage to, and also this is Archangel Michael's card. For me, it is always an Archangel Michael's card because he holds a sword, right? So he's the angel of protection. So he's protecting you, right? So you will receive that protection. Five of Pentacles. So yeah, in case you feel that you are into winters and you are alone, you have no opportunities, etc., that's the least in this month. Do not pay attention to such negative thoughts because that won't lead you to 10 of Pentacles. So 6 of Swords is actually coming out of this 5 of Swords kind of an energy. 5 of Pentacles kind of an energy wherein you feel that you are abandoned, you have no opportunities, you cannot do anything, nobody is with you, God doesn't help you, or whatever. King of Wands is a very charismatic energy. It is a very wise energy, balanced energy. kind of a leader, motivator. So some sort of team lead positions you can get. Okay, this is what I'm getting. All those, specifically if you are actually applying for, or the next promotion or something of that sort has to happen in terms of your leadership, then the presence of King of Wands is a yes for you. And then Three of Cups is like you're definitely celebrating this victory. So yeah, I mean, I'm just going to pull the 13th card now, because that finally makes spread, 13 card transformation spread. Let's see. Okay, so final card is Eight of Cups. So leave the old behind you, leave what doesn't serve you, leave all those emotions and emotional baggage behind you. Move towards Nine of Cups, move towards your emotional satisfaction, move towards that peace, move towards that bright future. But that won't happen if you are also carrying the past pains. If you're also carrying how people treated you, or how bad the situation was. It wasn't just for you, it was for the whole world economically. But to all those people who are watching this video, or to the people this video will reach, guys, it's just bits of letting go and making those sorts of changes that we just talked about in the first row, and some sort of being mentally very stable, taking guidance from only people who are worth taking guidance from, and coming out of this abandonment energy. I think you will be able to do wonders in this month of July 2021 during this retrograde Saturn. Wow, so thank you so much for this reading, guys. I hope you liked it. Please share it with your loved ones. I'm sure this reading is going to, will be reaching out to people who really need this guidance at this moment. And I would need your help to take this video forward to all those people who are struggling in terms of abundance, money, career, business, etc., job, etc. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Please take care of yourself. Bye.